Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ibis Bali Kuta. And I have to be honest, this here, it's a great hotel. This hotel is great. I'm going to show you some cool things here that are new. I've done the video on this property before. I want to show you my room because I think it's really great what an Ibis or an Ibis can do. You know, I find they don't need to, provide a welcome amenity. They don't need to, be a Cure or a 4 or a 5-star hotel, but it's the little things that count. It's the team that counts, and that's what I love, here at Ibis Bali Kuta. And all the Ibises I go to, honestly, they're some of the best properties, and value for money, you cannot go wrong. So I want to show you my room. I'm here just in a standard room because they've only got one deluxe room and one suite room here, and they're both taken at the moment, which is completely fine. It's no problem at all. Ibis have actually changed their policy around upgrades as well, guys. So if you are staying in a new Ibis, there's more of a chance you're not going to get upgraded anymore because it is up to the hotel's discretion, but essentially they've been removed from the benefit for the upgrade benefit. I just want to make that clear. If you go to a hotel often though, let's say for me, I stay here at Ibis Bali Kuta regularly, then there is a chance that they may still upgrade you. This property's only got one kind of extra room and there's only one of them, so it's not very often that you would even get upgraded here normally anyway. But for example, if you stay at one of the other Ibis, it's got a few more categories. They don't need to upgrade you guys anymore. I need you to understand that. But essentially, I want to show you my room. I want to show you what the team have done for me. It's great. And then I'm going to show you their brand new pre-flight lounge, which is very cool. Like, it's a really great opportunity for you guys. Emma and myself, Emma's the GM here at the hotel, the general manager. She's going to talk to you guys about exactly what it's about. But essentially, it's a place. This hotel is very close to the airport, around 5-10 minute drive away. So what you can actually do is they have this kind of pre-flight service where you can come here before your flight. You can pay 200,000 rupiah, so around 20 Australian dollars. And you can essentially have some snacks, some drinks. You can enjoy the lounge, just relax. You can have a shower. You can also organize a massage for you at a reduced rate, which is great. That's per person. Or alternatively, now this is going to be great. Let's say if you have to check out of your hotel, your flight's not until say 10 p.m. at night, you could come down here to Ibis Bali Kuta, spend 350,000 rupiah, and that's for 2 people to have a room for 4 hours, which also includes those services as well, such as the food and the beverage and that type of stuff in their pre-flight lounge. So I'm going to show you that after I show you the room. But yeah, just want to check in, let you guys know that I'm really starting to feel it now. It's 220 nights. Anyway, I'm going to release another video about how everything's going as well. But for now, I want to focus on Ibis Bali Kuta because it's a great property. The team here is amazing. The whole team is really cool. And I really love staying here. So I want to show you what the team have done for my room. It's a little bit less showy today because I've got my bag and everything in here. But I just want to show you guys what the team have done. So here we go. We've got the welcome to back, Mr. Cameron. Have a nice stay, Ibis. So cool. Just simple, right? This is the bathroom, just so you guys have an idea in case you haven't seen my other video. If you haven't, I recommend you do watch that as well. That there's a shower, really good shower in here as well. Really cool. And this here is my room. You can see my bags and everything over there. This is the lovely welcome that the team have provided me. And I love they always have the Balinese welcome, which is so cool. I love it. And I have a little letter here as well. Dear Cameron, it is always a pleasure to welcome you to Ibis Bali Kuta. Hopefully you will once more be enjoying your stay experience with us. As this is your home, do not hesitate to let us know should there be anything we could do to ensure you are comfortable and having a convenient stay with us. Warm regards, Emma, who is the general manager of the hotel. That's so sweet. I love it. I love this property. I love the team here, like I said. And I really want you guys to keep watching because this is not going to be a long video. Wow, I've had some very long videos and I do apologize for that, but I hope it gives you guys value. But this one's not going to be that long. So you're going to see me here in the room and then I'm going to show you the pre-flight service and that's it. We're done. And then, yeah, watch tomorrow though, because I'm going to talk to you guys about the journey here in Bali and the journey that I've been on so far. Anyway, this is the team has given me some nice fruit. It looks very nice. I'm going to eat those big bananas. Tea and coffee mate facility over here. I've just put my luggage there, and you've got a nice cupboard here. Even slippers. And then look at this, guys, in the fridge. I've got some Coke Zeros they put in there for me and some water, which is very nice. But yeah, they've also got this the room service here that you can order. They got this really cool thing called like Ibis food, where they if you've ever ordered Grab when you're in Asia or in Bali, they kind of they put the hat on, they have a jacket on, they deliver food to your door, and it's very affordable pricing. So yeah, this hotel is great. I would say if you are arriving into Bali and you want somewhere close to the airport, easy to just chill before start your journey or before you leave. Like for example, you can book a room here for a night before you're flying out. And they have that great pre-flight service. You just got to let them know. They'll even drop you to the airport. So anyway, let's go check that out now. And I think that's pretty much everything here. Ibis Bali Kuta. It's a great property. And yeah, hopefully you guys can come and enjoy it too. We're here at the Ibis Bali Kuta, and I have General Manager with me, Miss Emma. Lovely to be here. Excited.
Really excited.
I'm very excited because you have something very special for people.
Yes, we
Not
did.
just guests of the hotel, but people from outside can come and kind of be your guest, yeah?
Yeah.
For like a short period of time or a long period of time, it's up to them.
Yeah.
You have a new service.
Hours.
Yeah, open
New
24 hours, yeah.
service.
A new service, and then that service is the Extra Smile pre-flight lounge service. So this is interesting, yeah? It's like you're creating nearly like an airport lounge, but within the hotel.
Yes,
You've kind of flipped it the other way. So talk to me about what is this concept that you're doing here now, and how does it work?
Okay, so our Extra Smile Private Lounge Services is actually to accommodate some of the guests who are not staying with us actually,
Yep.
or our own guests
Yes.
who needs to have more time to stay and wait for their flight.
Yep.
Because as you know that our location is actually really near to the airport.
Yeah.
Only like 5 minutes, 10 minutes away.
Yeah.
Depends on the traffic, of course.
Yes.
And then, so this is the place where they can spend their time with a lot of activities.
Yeah.
We also have much facilities to be enjoyed.
Yeah.
They can also do the shopping.
Yeah.
Maybe they forgot to buy something nearby
Yep.
their surrounded shopping
Yep.
shops area, and then we're also going to drop them to the airport.
Wow, so cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
So really, this is a really good alternative. Maybe you've got an earlier checkout at your hotel, and then maybe after that you're coming here and you can kind of relax. We're going to show you everything that's on offer because there's quite an amazing lot of things that you can do here. Firstly, you have the shower room, yeah?
Yeah,
so people can actually refresh, and let's maybe have a look at that one. And then also you've got this lounge, which is probably the best part about it, and then also the shuttle.
The shuttle and the transit room and also the spa room.
So cool. Very, very cool. Okay, so we're going to show you the lounge and what's on offer. So now we're here in the lounge, the first part of the lounge. There's a few things to see here. Firstly, you've got games, yeah?
And you also have this.
I don't want to play this already. This
for the
game
kids.
is crazy, yeah? Not just kids.
Alligator.
It hurts your finger if you get it wrong. Okay, I'm going to try one.
Oops.
You try one.
No.
Oh, see?
I don't want to deal with alligator.
Yeah. And then what's this? VR box.
You never used this before?
No.
Well, this is actually giving you a visual experience.
Okay.
You can look for the experience, the what you call the image or
Yep.
visual in the YouTube.
Yep.
And then you can see it like exactly experiencing like virtual.
It's like a big screen.
Yeah.
Virtual reality.
And it's virtual reality.
Yeah.
And then you can just experience anything, including Bali.
Oh yeah? Perfect.
Okay.
Amazing. So you
use
put it on like this?
And then you put your mobile phone
Inside?
Yes. Put it like this, and then you just enjoy
And you can enjoy whatever
and
you're watching.
being in another world with this.
So cool.
Okay.
So that's the VR box. I think that's the first time ever we have a GM wearing a VR box. What else you have? You have more games here as well?
Game boards.
Yeah. Books.
Books. Yeah.
But
some books actually.
some books.
So it's everywhere, and then.
But what I think is the most impressive part is also when people are here, they can enjoy food as well, yeah?
Yeah.
So there's food on offer.
Let's
So
have a
let's
taste.
have a look at the food,
Yes,
yeah?
please.
So not only can you enjoy the games. Oh, what's this? Ibis music?
Yeah. If you like to enjoy the music, because Ibis is obviously about rhythm and music,
Yes.
you can just enjoy your music without disturbing the other guests
So
privately.
cool. Yeah. And is this massage chairs?
Ah, yeah.
Oh my gosh. So you also have the massage chair here as well. So many things. And now, food.
Yes.
Talk to us about the food and talk to us about the price. How does this work? If people want to come here, how does this work for them? So you say there's kind of two options, yeah? You can either come and stay and enjoy the facilities. You can even pay a little bit more and actually get a room, like a transit room, yeah?
Well, actually, not a little bit more. It's even worthy.
Oh, it's better.
Yeah, more value. if
Okay,
you get
talk
the
to me about this. How's it
package
work?
deal. Okay, so everyone, if you would like to enjoy extra smile private services, it's only cost you like 200,000 rupiah per person.
Yes.
And then you can enjoy all the free flow,
Wow.
the canapes, free flow drinks, and all the facilities at the lounge. And
Yep.
also you can use the shower room.
Yes.
If you would like to have massage, we also can prepare the massage with a special discount, and
Yes.
also F&B with a special discount.
Ah.
And also we're going to drop you to the airport.
So there's a shuttle
With
as
the
well?
shuttle,
Wow. So
Yeah.
you just have to make your way here and then you look after the rest.
Yeah, and it opens 24 hours.
Really?
Yeah. So if you are waiting for the night flight, and then
Yes.
you can enjoy here.
Yeah, and have a look at this food, guys. Like, what do we have on offer? We have little
Lot of
tomato cheese.
selections.
We have some chicken wing. This one remind me of
That's-
the chicken wing challenge that Chef did.
Yeah.
It looks very similar.
That's specially for you.
Some desserts.
Sweet and savory, basically.
And talk to me about the drinks. We got drinks there as well. Is it juices or
Juices and free flow coffee and tea. Yes.
and free flow coffee and tea as well, and even some little sushi is up there. Wow, so cool, yeah. So people can enjoy all this food, and it's unlimited free flow.
Yes.
With the drinks, there's also the food,
Yeah.
and it's 200,000 per person. Yeah.
Exactly.
But you said there's a better deal if you take a room, yeah?
Yeah,
How
it's
does
a
this
better-
work?
Yeah, if you would like to open the transit room, well,
Yep.
actually you can only pay 350,000 rupiah net.
Yep.
It's already including the transit rooms,
Yeah.
the superior rooms,
Yeah.
and then inclusion of 2 persons can enjoy the lounge facilities,
Wow.
of course, with the airport drop.
And how long do they get this room for?
4 hours.
For 4 hours.
Yeah,
So really you
it's
have
so worth it.
4 hours of lounge, room, everything for just 350k. It's like 35 Australian dollar.
Yeah,
And you'll also drop them to the airport,
exactly.
which is going to be normally around maybe 100k anyway. Yeah? So that's great. What an awesome service. So this is available now? People can...
It is available now.
Yeah.
And you can just come and then call or
Yep.
through the Instagram you can
Yep.
book.
That's the
your
easiest
space.
way.
Yeah.
Just give you some notice that you're coming, when you're going to be there, and then you can do this experience here before your flight,
Yeah,
or maybe even after, depending what you're looking for.
exactly. If you cannot check in,
Yeah.
you can just
Yeah,
check here
that's a
first.
great idea as well. Maybe if someone arriving early in the morning, because many of the flights, especially from Australia, early landing in the early morning, maybe you can come in here, you can enjoy the service, and then in the afternoon when the check-in opens at 3 p.m, you can then go to your hotel. Or stay here, up to you.
Stay here.
Because you've got lots of options here for the shopping and everything, yeah?
Yeah, this is actually the best place for the culinary experience. There
Yeah.
are a lot of what you call viral. We call
Yeah.
it viral culinary Balinese
Yeah.
experience.
Yeah.
And then we also have shops. You know, like
You have like
big
the crazy
shops.
durian shop
Yeah.
across the road as well, if
Yeah.
anyone likes
All
durian.
within the walking distance.
Yeah.
So yeah. I
So
think
great.
it's- yeah.
Awesome. We should look at your shower facilities as well as the spa room, and then also, of course, the shuttle. And I will show you guys the room as well that you can get for your transit, for the 4-hour transit. But yeah, this is an amazing service, yeah?
Yeah.
People can get right now. So if you are coming to Bali, if you're leaving Bali, what a great way to enjoy before your flight, yeah? Let's go check out the shower, and then we will check out the room that you can get as well for just 350k.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Keep following us.
Thank you. Hey, we are now in the room, yeah?
Yeah, in the spa room.
Oh, the
which is
spa room.
also can be used for taking shower for the guests.
Okay, yeah. This is not for the transit, so you don't get a massage bed for your 4-hour stay.
No.
You actually have real beds.
We're going to knock the door after 30 minutes to ensure that you're still okay.
So this one here is essentially the room that's used for the spa service. So you can get the spa service, and you said
Yeah.
even for the discount rate. Lovely. And then in here is going to be, oh, the door's this way.
It's the-
gonna be your shower, yeah?
Yeah, it's like in the airplane, you know, because it's a pre-flight service anyway.
Yeah, so cool. So you can enjoy not only a massage if you'd like as well that you can organize, but you also have, this is the area where you can have your shower, and the shower pressure in your rooms are very good. So people
Very
can
good,
enjoy
yeah.
that when they are staying here or just transiting here for
Yeah.
their 4 hours.
4 hours.
Or this is unlimited time as well when they're here for the 200,000, right?
Yeah.
Like they can come here, say in the afternoon, and then maybe their flight 10 o'clock at night. That's okay.
Yeah.
Stay 4, 5, 6 hours,
Yeah,
and
it's
then
okay.
when you're ready, you will take them to the airport.
Yeah.
Amazing. So cool. Let's check out the shuttle, yeah? Oh, and then I'm going to show you the room before we go. Okay, guys, this one here is the room. So this is available for the transit. 4 hours going to cost you 350,000 rupiah net. That's for 2 people, where you can enjoy the lounge out there that we showed you. TV in here, even like a little working desk there, tea and coffee making facilities, as well as, of course, you have your bathroom here as well that you can enjoy. That has the large mirror, and then, of course, your shower. So this here is available both in the standard with the 1 bed being the queen, or you can get it with the twin, also full body mirror here too. So what a great experience. Now we're just going to show you the shuttle, and that's it. It's very simple. 350,000 for 2 people. Can enjoy this for 4 hours for a transit. Alternatively, 200,000, around $20 per person, and then you can enjoy the lounge out there. So it's either or. So you can essentially come here for 4 hours, enjoy the room, enjoy the service out there for $350, $35 Aussie, or you can get per person for 200,000 and enjoy the pre-flight lounge service, and they'll even drop you to the airport. Very cool. Okay, now we're outside, and we have our shuttle that has arrived. Essentially, this is going to be like a shared shuttle though, but you can essentially booking what time you need, yeah? So you're not missing your flight.
Yeah.
You definitely make sure that they're going to make the flight on time, yeah? So we have our shuttle, which is behind us here, which is our shuttle driver. Hello.
Hello.
So this is the vehicle that we're going to have to take us to the airport.
Yep.
If you have a bigger group, then it's going to be like a van, yeah?
Of course, yeah.
So cool. So yeah, the team will look after you, and this is the vehicle that you're going to get.
Starting only from this is the driver.
This is the vehicle you're going to get, and you have this lovely car to enjoy. And obviously I'm going to the airport, but Emma's not.
No, I need to work.
You need to working here. But very nice, good air conditioning, and you can get this transport straight to the airport. So
Safe
cool.
flight.
Thank you.
Safe flight.
Bye.
Come again to Bali.